Hello, how's everyone? We're here at Takeshiba station. This is the terminal going to 9 famous islands in Tokyo. So ayan, this is Eureka Moming station. So from there, we're going to transfer going to Takeshiba station. So ilang stop lang po, siguro by 2 stops lang. Ayan, nandito na po tayo. And here I am. Ayan, yung mga train going to and from here in Takeshiba Station. Ayan, so it's my special day today. So happy birthday to me. That's why I have flowers with me. Ayan, thank you so much to my friend Cici Juby for giving this beautiful flower to me. Ayan, we're here at close to station. It's surrounded by the highest buildings. Look at surround me. Ayan, so minsan lang po tayo pumupunta dito. Kaya ayan, miss na miss po itong lugar na to. So every time na pumupunta po ako dito, lagi pong mayroong bagong view. Ayan, so dito lang. Stay tuned lang po tayo dyan habang umiikot-ikot dito. Kasi we're going to the islands, Oshima Islands. That is one of the biggest island in Tokyo. So, ayan, just stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe and like before I forget. So, ayan, just enjoy viewing and let's see and come with me. Arigato gozaimashita.
345, it's red calendar.
Yes, hindi ako ano.
Hindi kaya
red calendar.
Sayang. Uulit tayo dyan.
Basta ano, kapag may mga ano, may mga schedule niyan. Nag-ano naman yan si Madam eh. Amiyaki. Oo, sunod kami. Oh well, that's what we can see around here. So we are about to finish. So I would like to say thank you to everyone for watching this movie. So see you in the next one. Okay, everybody please take care and be safe always. Okay, thank you so much. God bless us all. See you then.